students, good noon. Myself Nidhi Ghetia from Faculty of Pharmacy, Dr. Subhas Technical Campus. Today we study our subject, that is Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry 1. That's called is BP 202 PP. In this subject we learn our second chapter, that is alkanes. Okay, so today's our study of the content, that is chemical properties of the alkane, then hybridization of the alkane and application of the alkane. Okay, so in chemical properties, mainly 5 types of the chemical properties occurs in alkane. So as we know that 5 types of the chemical properties, okay, chemical reaction occurs in alkanes. Okay, so first one is a substitution reaction, alkylation reaction, second one is a alkylation reaction, third one is a isomerism, and fourth one is the oxidation of the alkane, and fifth one is the aromatization of the alkane. Okay, so first the reaction we learn in our last lecture. So today we learn the only 4 chemical reaction occurs in the alkanes. Okay, so second one is the alkylation reaction. So tertiary hydrogen atoms containing alkane react with the alkene in the presence of acid catalyst to produce a larger branched chain in alkene. Okay, so alkane plus alkene react with each other in the presence of catalytic acid like H2SO4 and HF. Okay, so in this reaction making the a larger branch chain alkane, that is isooctane. Okay, so here isobutene plus isobutane and isobutylene, alkane and alkene both are reacted with each other and making the one larger branch alkane. Okay, so this is a alkylation reaction. Okay, then third one is the isomerism reaction. In isomerism reaction is process in which when normal alkane are heated with the anhydrous aluminum chloride and hydrogen chloride, making they converts in the branch chain alkane. Okay, so butane normal alkane, that is N-butane, that is react with the that is heated and in butane plus AlCl3 HCl and gives a heat and making the one branch chain alkane, that is isobutane. Okay, so isobutane there is a branch chain alkane. This is the isomerism reaction. N-butane and isobutane both are the isomerism of the each other. Okay, so fourth one is the oxidation of the alkane. So in oxidation of the alkane, 2 reactions are the follows. First one is the complete combustion reaction and second one is the incomplete combustion reaction. So complete combustion reaction, alkanes on heating in air gives a CO2 plus H2O. Okay, so alkane, methane plus O2 are react with each other, so making the CO2 plus H2SO4. Okay, so in combustion of large amount of heat liberated, therefore alkane gives the alkane which are constituent of the LPG, diesel, kerosene oil and widely used as a fuels. Okay, these are the alkanes are used in the LPG, diesel, kerosene oil and used also as a fuels. Okay, then B, that is a incomplete combustion. So if combustion of the alkane is carried out in the limited supply of the oxygen, so CO is produced along with the carbon black. Okay, so here methane plus 3 O2 moles. Okay, 3 O2 mole and react with each other and making the 3 CO and 4 water molecules are the removed. This is the oxidation reaction of the alkane. Okay, so this is the fourth one chemical reaction of the alkane. Then fifth reaction, that is aromatization of the reaction. So in this, making the ring structure with cyclonization process. Okay, so this process is also known as a reforming, in which an alkane having a 6 or 8 carbon atoms on heating at a high temperature, that is 873 Kelvin, undergoes under a pressure that is 10 to 20 atm. Okay, and in the presence of oxide of chromium as a catalyte gives the aromatic hydrocarbon. Okay, so this reaction are the follows in the high temperature and must requires to 6 and 8 carbon atom number. Okay, and also pressure are also maintained. And the process involves the cyclonization, isomerism and dehydrogenation process. Okay, so this method is widely used in the preparation of the aromatic hydrocarbon like the toluene and xylene, etc. So here first we take the hexane, that is having a 6 member of the carbon. Okay, so in this cyclonization process are follows. So in the presence of some temperature and also pressure. Okay, so making the cyclonization process and making the cyclohexane, and then dehydrogenation process and making the benzene. Okay, so this is making the aromatic ring structure. So this process is also known as the aromatization process or cyclonization process. Okay, also in this three reaction as follows, that is first one is cyclonization, isomerism and dehydrogenation. Okay, so here we complete the chemical properties of the alkanes. Okay, so in other topic that is hybridization of the alkane. Hybridization is a phenomena of the mixing or blending of two or more atomic orbital of equal energy to forms an equal number of new orbital which have equal energy. Okay, so identical shape and size of the symmetrically oriented in space, the new orbital formed are called the hybrid orbital. Okay, so mixing of the two orbitals and equal number of the energy forms, that's called the hybridization. Okay, that's orbital called the hybrid orbital, and that process is known as the hybridization. Okay, so in this mainly three types of the hybridization process are follows, that is sp2, sp3, sp2 and sp. Okay, so sp3 hybridization, that is a tetrahedral hybridization, sp2 is a trigonal hybridization and sp is a digonal hybridization. Okay, so in alkane sp3 hybridization occurs in the alkane. Okay, so this is a hybridization of the alkane. Now we study the application of the alkane. So first one is a methane and ethane, propane and butane are used for the heating, cooking and electricity generation. Okay, and second one is the main compound of the natural gas is methane and ethane. Methane and ethane are also used as a natural gases. Okay, then alkane with carbon atom 5 to 8 are used as a fuel and good solvent for non-polar substance, and then alkane 9 to 16 carbon atoms, the major part of the diesel and aviation fuels. Okay, so diesel making with the carbon number 9 to 16. Okay, then many solid alkanes used as a paraffin wax. Okay, and above the 17 carbon alkane are the main component of the lubricating oil and fuel oil and used for the anti-corrosive agent. Okay, and then propane and butane are components of the LPG, and they are also used as a propellant and aerosol spray. And then ethane is used in the preparation of the ethane. Ethane is used for the preparation of the ethane and some heavier hydrocarbons. Okay, then ethane is used or as a refrigerant cryogenic refrigeration system. Okay, and then ethane is also used to produce the ethylene, which used to manufacturing of the plastic, automotive, antifreeze and detergents. So ethane are used in that. Then propane is a primary fuel for the hot air balloons. Then propane is commonly used in the movies and explanation of the special effect. Then pentane is the active ingredient of the pesticides and also used in the liquid chromatography. And then hexane is used in the formulation of glue for leather product like shoes and roofing. And alkane serves the intermediate in the synthesis of the drug, pesticides and other chemical like acetic acid, vinyl chloride and ethylene glycol. Alkane is a intermediate components. Okay, so alkane is a uses as a intermediate component. So here we complete our second chapter, that is alkanes. Okay, so thank you to all.